Okay, this is the AC fan replacement, the heater slash AC fan replacement for a 2017 Mazda 3. And luckily, for the 2017 model year, Mazda finally moved the fan from behind the dashboard to under the glove box. So it's a big difference from the 2016 model, which I believe is a very hard procedure to take everything out through the front of the dash, behind the radio and all that stuff. So this should be relatively easy. You don't even have to move the seat back, but first thing is to clean your glove box out, take everything out and remove the glove box and probably the air filter or the cabin filter. It's another easy thing. Okay, here's the glove box with all the contents emptied out. So you have to take all that stuff out before you drop out the glove box. And the easiest thing to do at this point, you don't need any tools, is to remove, I don't know if you can see this, remove each tab. So what you're going to do is you're going to push each one of these sections inward and the glove box should fall or swing wide open. So let me try it while holding this phone here. 1 second. And there you go. It comes out like so. And what you'll see here is the cabin filter. And it's relatively easy to take out there too. But what you want to do is take the glove box out as well. So it slips off like this. Simple as that. No tools needed yet. And even for the cabin filter, you want to check and see if there are any leaves in there that are, maybe have fallen into the fan that might have stuck it, that made it stick. And let's pull it easily with this tab. I'll try to show you guys that here. Easy as that. And there's a little dirt, but yeah, lots of dirt, but no leaves that would prevent the fan from working. So if you look at this right here, you can see the fan. Let me get a better picture. Let me move this out. The glove box removed again. Getting back to it. And this is actually the fan unit right here, the housing. And of course the filter goes in there. Cabin filter goes in there. The easiest way to get this out is take the bottom piece out first. And I'll try to do that with one hand here. And of course, still no tools required. And this is for the glove box. It's like a little shock absorber piston thing. It just hooks up to that. No big deal there. And if I can put this under here, you'll see the actual fan unit right there. Let's try to put it closer. I don't know if it'll come in clear or not. But if it is coming in clear, you'll see 3 Phillips screwdrivers, or 3 Phillips head screws that you take out, and the whole thing will drop out. So I'll try to get you guys a better light so you can see the screws. And there's one right there. One right there. You can see my finger's at right there. And there's one in front here, I believe, right? Or is it right there? There's the front one. So 3 screws. I'm gonna take those off and we'll take this housing out first. And this is how it looks with the screws pretty much removed. This thing comes out, the screw fell down there. And there's your fan motor right here. That's what it looks like. This fan was sort of like an on and off deal. Sometimes it would turn on normally, but when it got hot and sitting for a while, the fan wouldn't even turn on. I could hear the AC turn on, the clutch on it, but this fan would not spin, so there's probably something defective with it. It's probably going out. Here is the underside of the fan. Then you notice the 3 screw locations again. Real simple. All I do is take the 3 screws out and it comes out. The only thing holding it back is this plug, and it's easily done. You just squeeze it and it comes off. Simple as that. Here you have the original fan. No biggie, pretty easy. Remember the earlier model of Mazda 3s, this would be somewhere inside there, and dealers will probably charge you $1,000 to do it, but this one, luckily, the newer ones, 2017 plus models, are pretty easy to do. Hope that's clear. Here is the replacement fan. Probably part number on here somewhere. That's a part number. It's from a TYC. Interestingly enough, this shows as the same one for a CX-5 blower assembly. So 2014, 2018. So they probably use the same fan, hopefully. And if you put the old one next to it, it's pretty much identical, except this one doesn't work. Okay. What you can do before installing the whole thing back in there is actually plug this cable back into the fan and turn your AC on and make sure this is up this way, so when it spins it doesn't hit anything. So yeah, that's one way to do it, but I checked it already, so this one works. Here's the new fan installed with the 3 screws and the plug. It's pretty easy. Next thing you gotta do is just put your cabin filter back in. Put this bottom base plate back on the bottom, and then put the glove box back on, and it should be done. And after that, just test it. But let me put it together, and I'll start the video again.